Alphabet C. C.
C says cow. Let's learn how to write C.
Let's have a look at few things that start with letter C.
This is a cat. This is a car.
Can you guess who is this? Yes, it's a crab. This is a carrot. Can you guess what is this? That's right. This is a cake. Yes, it's a cow. This is a clown. How about we try short sentences with alphabet C?
Are you ready, kids?
The cat plays with the ball. The cow is eating grass. The car is driving on the road. The clown is juggling colorful balls.